In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make aesthetic thumbnails in just 5 minutes. Creating a stunning and engaging thumbnail can make all the difference in capturing your viewers' attention and drawing them into your content. Whether you're an experienced designer or a beginner, by following these simple steps, you'll be able to craft visually appealing thumbnails with ease. Let's start by heading over to Canva, a versatile and user-friendly design platform that's perfect for this task. Once you're logged into Canva, go to the search bar and type in aesthetic thumbnails. This search will pull up a diverse collection of stylish and professional looking templates tailored specifically for thumbnails. Take a moment to explore these options. Browsing through the template library will give you a sense of the different styles and layouts available. Whether you prefer something minimalist, vibrant, or more intricate, there are plenty of choices to find one that aligns with your personal or brand style. Next, when you find a template that resonates with your vision, click on it. This will bring up more details and a preview of the template. You are now ready to proceed by clicking the Customize this template button. This is where the real creative work begins. By clicking this button, the template will open in the Canva editor, allowing you to modify and personalize it to fit your needs. You'll immediately notice how intuitive and flexible the editing tools are, making it easy to switch up elements or tweak designs. Once inside the editor, one of the first tasks is to edit the text on the thumbnail. Double-click on the placeholder text to bring up the text editor. Here you can input your own words, choosing a title or caption that best represents your content and grabs attention. Be mindful of font size, color, and placement, as these elements work together to ensure readability and visual appeal across different devices. Additionally, you may want to add images or icons to further enhance your design, utilize Canva's extensive library of elements for added flair, or upload your own images for a personal touch. Adjusting the colors and aligning the elements within your design is straightforward. Use the grid lines to maintain balance and symmetry, ensuring your final product is polished and professional. Remember, the goal of your thumbnail is to entice viewers while clearly representing your video content. Once you're satisfied with your work, download your design in the appropriate format and upload it to your video platform. By putting in these few minutes of thoughtful design, you create a powerful tool that helps increase viewership and interest in your content. And there you have it, a simple, quick guide to making aesthetic thumbnails that stand out. Keep experimenting and refining your designs, and you'll soon become adept at creating eye-catching visuals that captivate your audience. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.